Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue that's been bugging Windows users in 2025. Desktop icons not showing up correctly. Maybe your icons are blank, scrambled, or just plain missing, and it's driving you crazy. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through easy, step-by-step fixes that can get your desktop back to normal in no time. This tutorial is straightforward, so even if you're not a tech wizard, you'll nail it. First off, let's start with the simplest solution: restarting your computer. Sometimes, a quick reboot clears temporary glitches that mess with your icons. Just click the Start menu, hit the power icon, and select Restart. Once it's back up, check if your icons are displaying properly. If that doesn't do the trick, try refreshing your desktop. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop and select Refresh from the menu. This forces Windows to reload the icons and might fix any display errors. Next, we need to tackle the icon cache, which can get corrupted. To rebuild it, press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog, type ie4uinit.xshow, and hit Enter. Then, restart your PC. This will reset the icon database and often resolves the problem. Another potential fix is checking your display settings. Right-click on your desktop, go to Display Settings, and ensure the scale and layout are set to 100% or your preferred resolution. Sometimes, changes here can cause icons to act up. If you're still facing issues, run the System File Checker tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for it in the Start menu, right-clicking, and selecting Run as Administrator. Then, type sfc now and press Enter. This scans for and repairs corrupted system files that might be affecting your icons. Lastly, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Head to the Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Download the latest version from the manufacturer's website if needed. There you have it. Simple steps to fix your desktop icons. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.